Good evening. Today is Sunday, November 5, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 5, 2023, Sunday. Here are the SL Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Sunday, November 5, 2023. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Sunday, November 5, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.